Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are physically sound. This is Saiful Alam, assistant teacher of English, Maskola Secondary School, Satkira Sodor, Satkira. Today I am going to take a class on of class 9 and 10, an important topic. We were learning the last day. I will continue this rest of the part today. First of all, I want you to look at the board. I think, and so that you can remember the topic we are learning the previous day. Okay, my dear students, look at the board. Okay, and hope you are ready with your pen and notepad, so that you can write. And remember one thing: writing makes a man perfect. Writing makes a man exact. Okay, let's start. Number one, she is running. Isn't she? Number two, let's go home. Shall we? Now, my dear students, I have a question. Can you remember the topic we were learning the last day? Yes, you're right. We are learning question tag. Yes, you're right. Thank you. Question tag. In Bangladesh, it is also called as a question tag question. All are the same. So let me remind you something we were learning the last day. As for example, so this is a short question that comes to the end of a sentence. That is called a tag question. So what is a tag question? Tag question is a short question that comes to the end of a sentence. You see, look at those two examples. She is running, isn't she? Let's go home, shall we? So these short part are called tag question. Okay, my dear students, let's talk about the question pattern. This is an important topic, and 5 marks are allotted for that. There will be 5 sentences. It may be contextual, or it may be separate 5 sentences, and 5 numbers or marks are allotted for it. And let me remind you one thing again. That is, when you are answering the question, you must write the sentence and with the answer. Okay, you must write the sentence and the answer. You do not write the answer only. This part you have to write the whole sentence and then the answer. Okay, so I think you can carry marks very easily in this grammar section. This is question tag. This is a question number 9. Okay, let's go to the detailed discussion of it. Okay, let's go. The first examples: walking is good for health. Good for health. Number 2, to see is to believe. Number 3, everything is clear. Okay, number 4. Number 4, love conquers all. Number 5, wheat, gold is a precious metal. Okay, my dear students, I think you can remember the chart we wrote on the last day. That is, to solve this problem, we have to remember all those things. That is just a minute. That is, we have to remember whether the sentence is affirmative or negative, what type of sentence is it. Is it an assertive sentence or imperative sentence? So, and you must think about the tense of the sentence, because it is very necessary when you are solving these problems. Subject, and within subject or in the subject, you have to remember whether the subject is first person, second person, or third person, and which number are they, the singular number or plural number. Okay, so all those things you have to remember. Okay, so let's start solving. Now you tell me, is it a negative sentence, the first one, walking is a good exercise, or affirmative sentence? Yes, my dear students, this is an affirmative sentence, so we have to answer in negative one. Okay, so walking is good for health, so isn't it? Okay, my dear students, you just look at the word walking. If any sentence starts with ing subject, that is called gerund, so your pronoun for the answer will be it. Okay, look at the next sentence. To see is to believe. Dekhe bishwash kora. Okay, so this is infinitive. We also use it in case of infinitive. So what would be the answer? Same answer it will be here. Isn't it? As it is an affirmative sentence. So everything, and look at the next sentence. Everything is clear. So in case of everything, something, nothing, not anything, we use the pronoun it. Okay, so we can, as it is an affirmative sentence, so we can use a negative here. That would be, can you tell me what the answer of it? What would be the answer of it? Yes, everything is clear. So isn't it would be the answer. Okay, love conquers all. Okay, my dear students, this is also an affirmative sentence, so the answer will be negative. So this is, look at the subject. The subject is, can you tell me what type of noun is it? The things we cannot touch, we just feel, is called abstract noun. Okay, So abstract noun, we just feel, we cannot touch it, we cannot see it. So this is called abstract noun. In case of abstract noun, we use it. Okay. So doesn't it? Doesn't it? Where did the does come from? Because this sentence is present indefinite tense. If we look at the verb of the sentence, we can see the verb ends with s or yes. So we can easily identify that this is an present indefinite tense. So when you are making it negative, so we have to use do not or does not. But in case of third person singular, if the subject is third person singular, we have to use does. So that's why I use does here. You can see love conquers all, doesn't it? Okay, let's move to the question number 5. Gold. You see, gold is a what type of noun is it? This is a material noun. Yes. So in case of material noun, we also use it. So isn't it? Okay. I think you have understood the topics, the things we discussed. So if the subject is ing form, we use it. If the subject is infinitive form, we use it. If the subject is everything, anything, nothing, so we also use it. Abstract noun, and in case of material noun, we also use it. Let's move to the next question. Question number 6. He has not done it. Number 7. They were going to school. Number 8. Number 8. Though he studied hard, he could not succeed. S-U-C-C-E-E-D. Succeed in. You succeed. Number 9. People hate the dishonest. People hate the dishonest. Number 10. What a nice bird it is. Okay, my dear learners. Today I have written another 10 sentences, another 5 sentences. So let's try to solve the problems. Okay. So as I have told you that we have to look here, we have to remember whether the sentence is affirmative or negative. So look at the sentence, my dear students. Is it an affirmative sentence or negative sentence? Yes, we can easily understand from the sentence that the sentence has negative sign, negation mark, that is not. So this is a negative sentence. So our answer will be in affirmative one. Affirmative one. Okay. So has he. Okay. Let's move to the question number 7. They are going to school. So which tense is it? Which tense is it? This is past continuous tense. So, and this is an affirmative sentence, so our answer will be in negative one. So, weren't they? Look at the question number 8. If you just read the sentence, I am reading for you. Though he studied hard, he could not succeed. Look at the sentence very carefully. You have learned that there are 3 types of sentence according to structure. Okay, so they are simple, complex, and compound. So this is a complex sentence, and it has a subordinate clause, there is an independent clause, and a principal clause. This independent clause, because though he studied hard, so the idea is incomplete. You see, if you say though he studied hard, the meaning is not complete. The expression is not complete. Somebody or someone wants to hear something more from you. So this is a subordinate clause or independent clause. So if the sentence is complex sentence, we have to answer looking at the principal clause. So this is the principal clause. He could not study and he could not succeed. So this is a negative one, so we should use could he. This would be the answer. Okay. Let's move to the problem number 9. If you just look it very carefully, look at the subject. People. Can you tell me, is it a singular subject or plural subject? Yes, I know you are intelligent. Yes, this is plural. But you see, it looks like singular. Okay. This type of word often mislead a person. Okay. So we have to be very careful. Words like people, children, cattle, peasantry, they are plural actually, but they look like singular. You have to remember them. Okay, so the answer would be don't they. We always use they for plural form. Okay, so look at the problem number 10. This is what type of sentence is it? Can you tell me? This is an we express our sudden feeling with those type of sentences. What a nice bird it is. Or we can say, how nicely he sings, or how nicely he drives, or how nicely he teaches. So you see, so I'm very happy, I'm very excited to express those type of sentences. So when I'm expressing certain feelings, so this is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, let's move to the problem. Okay, what a nice bird it is. So this is an affirmative one, so we should use isn't. The same rule will be applicable here. Isn't it? This will be the answer. Okay, last one example we are going to discuss. I think you have understood. Last one example that often fall you in trap. Number 11. I, along with my friends, went to or go to went. Sorry, went. Just a minute, sorry for that. Went to the book fair. So now can you tell me what is the subject of this sentence? Can you tell me what is the subject of the sentence? Up to which would be the subject? Normally this type of sentence with a long subject will fall you in trap. So if the subject is connected with, along with, together with, as well as, accompanied by, so in this case, the main subject, or what you need to look at, the subject before this phrase. Okay, before this phrase. So this full part is the subject, from here to there, from here to there, this subject. So we have to look at here, because it is added by along with. So I will be the main subject. Okay, so we have to solve the problem looking at I. Okay, so as it is a, which tense is it? This is a past simple tense. So what would be the answer? It would be didn't I. That would be the answer. Okay, my dear students, I think you have enjoyed my class, and today is the closing part of this topic, and I would like to give you some homework for that. So hope you'd be physically sound and hale and hearty at home. Thank you very much for paying attention to my class. Have a good day. See you next class with another topic. So bye for now. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.